From Hollywood to Wall Street, from Silicon Valley to the Great Plains, the United States of America is often seen as the land of opportunity. But what's it really like to move, live, and work in the USA? In this video, we'll break it down for you. Immigration laws, culture, job opportunities, food, lifestyle, and even the weather. Stay tuned. By the end, you'll know whether the American dream is the right dream for you. Immigration and laws. Immigration is the gateway to the U.S., but it can be a long and complex process. The most common visas include the H-1B for skilled workers, the F-1 for international students, and the Green Card Lottery, which gives thousands of people permanent residency every year. Compared to countries like Canada or Australia, the U.S. immigration process is stricter. But once you're in, opportunities are huge. Residency, or the famous Green Card, allows you to live and work freely. And after 5 years, you can even apply for citizenship. Sounds complicated? Don't worry. In simple terms, visa equals temporary stay, Green Card equals permanent stay, citizenship equals full rights. Language and culture. English is the main language in the U.S., but you'll also hear Spanish almost everywhere, especially in states like California, Texas, and Florida. Even accents vary. A New Yorker sounds very different from someone in Texas or Boston. Culturally, the U.S. is a melting pot. People value individualism, freedom of speech, and hard work. But there are also traditions. Don't forget to tip your waiter. Avoid asking about someone's salary, and be ready for big celebrations like Thanksgiving, Halloween, and the 4th of July. Music, art, and sports are massive here. From Hollywood movies to NBA games, American culture is everywhere. Job and education opportunities. The U.S. is home to some of the world's best universities: Harvard, MIT, Stanford, attracting international students with scholarships and research opportunities. In terms of jobs, high-demand professions include technology, healthcare, finance, and engineering. For example, nurses and doctors are always needed, and software engineers thrive in Silicon Valley. But here's the balance. The cost of living in cities like New York, Los Angeles, or San Francisco can be extremely high. While average salaries are among the highest in the world, so are rents and healthcare costs. That's why many people choose affordable cities like Austin, Texas, or Denver, Colorado, where salaries are good and living costs are lower. Food and lifestyle. When it comes to food, the U.S. is more than just burgers and fries. Every state has its own flavor. New York pizza, Texas barbecue, Louisiana gumbo, California sushi. Street food trucks are everywhere, but so are upscale restaurants. Daily life is fast-paced in big cities. Long commutes, lots of work, but also plenty of entertainment. Gyms are everywhere, but also relaxation, with weekend barbecues, concerts, and sports events. Work-life balance depends on where you live. Big cities lean towards work-heavy lifestyles, while smaller towns and suburbs offer a slower, family-friendly pace. Weather and geography. The U.S. is like several countries in one when it comes to weather. Cold, snowy winters in the north, sunny beaches in Florida and California, deserts in Arizona, and even tropical climates in Hawaii. If you love skiing, Colorado and Alaska are paradise. If you dream of surfing and palm trees, California and Hawaii are your go-to. And if you're into tech careers, Silicon Valley in California is the global hub. So whether you prefer beach life, snowy mountains, or fast-paced city living, the U.S. has it all. So, is the U.S. right for you? Immigration might be challenging, but the rewards are big. World-class education, high-paying jobs, diverse culture, and endless lifestyle options. The American dream isn't the same for everyone, but for many, it's still alive and well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides to life around the world. And tell us in the comments, would you move to the United States?